channel Home Banao. I am architect Pooja Kothari and today I am going to tell you about anti-termite treatment. Now what are these termites that I am talking about and why do that needs a treatment? So termites basically live in the soil and these termites will come and attack your construction material. So this is the site where construction is ongoing and if you notice the excavation has happened. Now after removing the soil, the anti-termite treatment is being done like you see now. And this anti-termite treatment is done because your termites live below the soil. They will come above for the cellulose, which is their food. Now, what is the cellulose for them? So basically they can eat everything other than your plastic, steel and cement components. So for example, if you were to build the entire house with red bricks, your regular clay bricks, so the termites will come up, they will start chipping into those bricks and they will go down again. They will create a path within your structure and make your structure loosen. Now, other areas where they will come and attack is your windows. So they will come up if your window frames are made of teak wood, if they are made of any sort of solid wood, they will come up, eat the cellulose from the wood and then again go down. Again, they've created a path and damaged your window frame. So this is why it is very important to do your anti-termite treatment. Now when is it that you should do the anti-termite treatment is what we are trying to answer. The excavation has been done. You have the soil layer here and your anti-termite treatment spray is being done here. This is the first layer of protection that we are doing. There are two other layers. Basically after the anti-termite treatment is sprayed here, we put the PCC bed, which is your concrete bed, and after we have done with the PCC bed, we then place our footing, and after we have placed the footing, we then put the column rods. So once this is done, we go to our next stage of anti-termite treatment where all the soil is filled back to this level. So basically after we have filled this, we are going to make holes at 1 feet intervals across the plinth. The plinth is basically your slab level at the ground level. So after we make these holes, they are made to a depth of 9 inches and then with the help of a mug, we are going to fill in the chemical into these areas, these holes. Now this is called rodding and this is done to protect the circumference of your house, the actual build-up of your house. After this stage, we are going to create trenches around your entire plinth. Now these trenches of 1 feet will be created around your plinth area and then chemical will be sprayed again. So this is your 3-layer protection anti-termite treatment which is done. First at the base level, at the ground level, then on the RCC level, and then finally in form of trenches around your building. Now you may be wondering that we are depleting the soil. No, that's not the case. The anti-termite treatment just acts as a film. It acts like a layer between the soil and the constructed area. So it does not penetrate into the soil and we are not depleting the water or the soil of the area. Now this entire treatment, the entire process that I told you and showed you is called as pre-construction anti-termite treatment. This is done before construction stage. As per Building Codes of India, IS 6313 Part 2 also specifies the method of spraying this anti-termite treatment and it is mandatory as per building codes to have this anti-termite treatment done before building construction. In fact, any of the apartments or any of the villa complexes, one of the checklists is if there has been any anti-termite treatment done in that place or no. So this is one of the criteria that you should also consider if you are buying a flat. Now this anti-termite treatment, when they do it before construction, pre-construction stage, they give a warranty of 10 years. So say there have been instances mostly in Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh areas to my knowledge where anti-termite treatments have been done and within 5 years the termites have destroyed all your high-end luxury interiors. So it has eaten away all the false ceiling, it has eaten away all the carpentry and you've had to remove and redo it. So in this case, you can call back to the provider who has has done the anti-treatment termite, and they will have to do it again since there is a 10-year warranty to it. Now, assuming that your 10-year warranty period is over and you have termites coming up, in this case what is done is, across the house near the skirting, they drill holes and inject the chemical to protect your entire house. This is mostly done at the plinth level. So this is how you can also protect your house after the warranty period, or if you have missed doing your anti-termite treatment during the construction stage. So guys, this is why it is important to do an anti-termite treatment for your projects in the pre-construction stage, and do it from a reliable vendor. Somebody who will give you warranty and who will do it ethically. And there are specific companies like HPC who specialize only in anti-termite treatment services. So you should go to them instead of just trying to save your costs over random contractors who will just take something and spray it, because that will again not lead to any benefits. If you have any other queries regarding the content, please post them in the comment section and we will answer to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.